This high-calorie peanut butter oatmeal has 1050 calories and an impressive 41 grams of proteins. It's just perfect if you try to build muscle and want a warmer alternative to overnight oats and oat smoothies. Did you know that if you eat oatmeal, you're actually in good company? Actors like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and Hugh Jackman have both been seen indulging in a bowl of oatmeal. The Rock posted a photo with a lion-sized bowl of oatmeal, while Jackman had 2 bowls of cinnamon and raisins oatmeal while he was training for a role he's famous for. But I digress. As a certified personal trainer and nutritionist, I made sure that our oatmeal recipe is high in calories, is tasty, and has the optimum amount of proteins and complex carbs to help you build muscle. And the best part? It only takes you a little more than 5 minutes to make it. Let's start by coating a saucepan with a teaspoon of olive oil and toast 1 cup and a half of rolled oats over medium heat until the oats start smelling like popcorn. This step will make the oats crunchier and more flavorful. If you're on a gluten-free diet, use oats that have a clear gluten-free label. Once the oats have started smelling like popcorn, pour 1 cup and 3/4 of low-fat milk over them. If you're on a dairy-free diet, you can swap it for a plant-based milk. Keep stirring the oats while they cook for around 5-10 minutes. Otherwise, they will stick to your pan. While the oats cook, don't forget to add a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors in your oatmeal. Transfer the oatmeal in the bowl you're going to serve it from. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, which is going to instill the most prominent flavor. If you're allergic to nuts, use a seed butter. Now add 1 ounce of honey for sweetness. Use a spoon to mix everything until well combined. Sink 5 tablespoons of dried goji berries for more calories and a better taste. Lastly, you want to chop 12 almonds and top the oatmeal. They will add more crunchiness, healthy fats and calories. If you have a nut allergy, replace almonds with seeds. And you're done. The predominant flavor in this oatmeal is the one coming from the peanut butter. But the crunchiness of the almonds and the fruitiness of the goji berries make this recipe really special. And what's even better is that you can finish eating in just 5 minutes. Regarding its nutrition facts, this high-calorie peanut butter oatmeal has 1050 calories, 41 grams of proteins, 145 grams of carbs and 38 grams of fats. It's low both in saturated fats and added sugar. The estimated price for the ingredients in this recipe is... All in all, whether you're looking for a muscle-building oatmeal recipe or you just want to eat like a muscular Hollywood star, this recipe is for you. In case you liked it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss recipes that are just as fabulous. And if you're looking for oat recipes that don't require cooking at all, make sure to try our overnight oat recipes that will save you tons of time every morning, guaranteed.